So friends, today we had done the work for our new car duster, and you can see over there that we had installed a HID. This was the existing HID which we had already done, and this is the HID which is with the projector being installed. The first work, you can see the intensity which is covering quite well, although it is on the inclined surface. So little bit you can see that the intensity is being distributed quite well. Well, the next thing which is there is the second which I was talking about, the projector. The projector HID has a feature that it is quite a big lens, so you can see over there the size of the lens is quite big, and the intensity is also quite good, because the reason behind is that this HID is exclusively of Aeron, and that is a very good company, and I had purchased it from the shop of Grand Auto Music Emporium, and he is the owner of it. And please sir, give an introduction of yourself.
My shop is located in Karol Bagh, New Delhi. The name is Auto Music Emporium, and we have installed the Ozone projector in fog light of duster and Ozone HID in low beam of duster.
Okay. So sir, what is the warranty and other things, features?
Ballast warranty is 2 years and the bulk warranty is 1 year.
Okay. Actually, I am new, so for all the people who are new, you just introduce about how it is different from other HIDs.
The brightness of light is very good, and the quality is also very good. It's a German brand made in China, but I can guarantee you will not be get disappointed.
Okay. So friends, now you can see the intensity, and I'll make another video you just continue with this video. You can see the intensity over here. Both the bulbs are switched on, and on the highway we'll make another video which you can see the intensity is quite beautifully being distributed across with a blue line that is very well known, and equal distribution also. And thanks. And sir, cost and other things, and first thing I'd like is the cost. The second thing, across India or across anywhere, if someone asks, so you can deliver?
Yes, I can deliver. You can contact me on my Instagram in the name of Auto Music Emporium.
Okay.
And my mobile number is 9311 432244.
Okay.
You can WhatsApp me your requirement. And the cost of the fog projector is around 11,000 with installation. If you will not get it installed, you will get it for 10,500 rupees. And the HID cost is 6,500.
Okay. And across India you can deliver it anywhere?
Yeah, with extra courier charges, we can deliver anywhere.
Okay, that's quite good. And the installation is not so difficult?
Installation is very good, easy, but it should be done by a good expert.
Professionals?
Yeah.
Okay. So guys, this is quite a good work which has been done, because now this car is going across 2,300 kilometers in next week. So that's why I only prefer this shop, as this is a total professional guys. So you can come across this shop in Karol Bagh, and the address is
10172 Abdul Aziz Road, Karol Bagh, New Delhi, and my shop name is Auto Music Emporium. You can search on Google, you will get the directions. It's very easy to come.
Yeah, that I did today itself.
Just take appointment before coming. It would be easy for us to give you space.
Okay. So friends, thanks, and just subscribe my channel, and I'll be posting more in detail videos of this and all the works which are being done. Thank you sir.
Thank
you for doing our work, and finally it's finished and we are highly satisfied.
Thank you sir. That's
And thanks. Now we will be leaving, and
this is for you sir. A small gift from my side.
oh, what is this sir?
This is a perfume and a solar panel which will rotate the upper wing.
Okay. Oh, quite surprising, and really thanks a lot for this thing.
Thank you.
And it will decorate my
You are also doing a very wonderful job. I have seen your videos and it's very good. So I am
Thank you.
also a subscriber of you.
Sure. Thank you sir.